How to log in Discord with Discord token. Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can log in Discord with Discord token. So first of all, head to your preferred browser on your PC. After opening the browser, simply search for discord.com and you can see I'm at the login page. Now, what you need to do is tap on the three dot menu at the top right corner of your screen. Now in the drop down menu, select More Tools, then click on Developer Tools. A new side panel will open up on your screen. In the side panel, simply select Application tab from the upper tab menu. If you can't find it, simply tap on the double arrow and click on it. Inside the Application tab, locate Local Storage and then click on discord.com. Here, there will be a list present. Simply scroll down to the bottom of it and there will be a blank space. On the left side of the blank space, type in token, and on the right side, paste in your Discord ID token. Now make sure that your token is in between apostrophes. After adding apostrophes at the start and end of your token number, simply reload the page and you can see I have now successfully logged in my Discord account. That's how you can log in Discord with Discord token. Thanks.